You're on as a young man selling $23,000 a month and made $4,000 in sales. According to eBay's information and a patent file, if you make that ratio better and eBay rechecks your account every 24 hours, your items will rank. So the easiest way to actually get that done is to delete items that do not rank or do not work. What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to talk about the easiest way to boost your eBay dropshipping sales by 300%. So my name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011. I've sold over $20 million on 5 different platforms: eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Facebook, TikTok. And I know you may not care about that, and the reason why you click this video is to figure out how you're going to get more sales. But I'm going to get into that. So like the video, subscribe to my channel. So if you've been on the channel before, and I know most of you guys have not, I did a video showing data from Euron where he made one hack. The name of the video is Euron's eBay dropshipping hack that boosted sales by 300%. So Euron is a young man who I've done videos with before that's selling $23,000 a month and made $4,000 in sales in profit, and we made a video talking about the one hack. So the one hack is broken down into 2 steps. So I'm going to try not to repeat what we talked about, but the long and short, let me share my screen so you guys can see what I'm talking, because I'm rambling and you may not get what I'm saying. So Sammy made a post on Reddit talking about a eBay patent that gives us an equation: sales rank equal purchases divided by total items listed. Now, I've been dropshipping for a long time, and as long as 7 years ago, I've made videos about sell-through rate. And this equation here is what Zeke Analytics and what we used to call as sell-through rate. Now, the easiest way to affect your sell-through rate and get a huge boost in sales is to prune listing. Now, sell-through rate is, or sales rank, is the number of purchases, meaning the number of items you sold, divided by the total items listed. So if you have 10,000 listings and you're selling 2 or 3 items a day, and you change that ratio, according to eBay's information and a patent filed, if you make that ratio better and eBay rechecks your account every 24 hours, your items will rank. So the easiest way to actually get that done is to delete items that do not rank or do not work, or what we have called a very long time as pruning. So what do I mean by pruning? So let me go into my computer again so you guys who are dropshipping on eBay don't have to guess what I'm talking about. So this account is you guys who have followed me before should know this account. If you're new to the channel, I only do work on this account on YouTube. So this account has sold, let me see, $5,000 or $6,000 in the past 30 days. Let me see, $6,400 in the past 30 days, 25%, maybe $1,500 profit. So that's not the point. And I did product substitution on this account to show you guys how to get huge profits. But this account currently has 4,593 listings. So if you want to have a better sell-through rate, you want to get rid of items that don't have views and don't have sales. So items that are not getting sales. So I would order the items by when they were listed, right? So the oldest item I have on this account was listed in 2022. Now you could go through manually and look. And so if you look on top here, it's the start date, sold, views. So there are views here, sold here. So if you look for items that never sold and never got views, you would delete the items manually. But Ecom Sniper has an actual feature where all you do is right click, you go to select listings with 0 sales, 0 views. So you click that. Selected 15 items. Go to action and listing. So what I am doing, I'm actually deleting items that do not work. And this isn't based on how I feel. This isn't based on some magical formula online. We did research, and as you can see from eBay's actual patent, that would boost the ranking on your listings in eBay search, and by consequence boost your sale. So guys, if you want the easiest way to actually execute an account and get some more sales, go through your listings, delete all the items that have no views, no sales. I suggest you get Ecom Sniper because we have that feature so you don't have to manually do it. But like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know how else I can help you. This is just a quick video I wanted to make to give you guys some tips on how to boost your eBay dropshipping sales based on data. This is not how I feel. This is stuff that we actually receive. If you want any help with your eBay dropshipping business, check out a link in the description to my calendar and book a one-on-one. Check out the free resources in the description. Comment. Let me know how else I can help you. Have a good one, guys. Peace.